Hello, welcome to Retail-Outsource. My name is Seb, and today I'm going to show you how to create a business policy for returns. So once you have logged in to your eBay, you have to go to account settings, and from account settings, you have to click on business policies. So there are various ways that you can reach this location. If you are going to selling, and that will take you to the seller hub, and you can see the same link over there as well. So click on business policies, and from here you can see all the current policies, as well as to create a new policy. So click on returns, and here you have to name it, because you can have multiple policies assigned to various listings. So name something so you can differentiate. So I'm just going to put it as it's a test one. I'm just going to put test, and the policy description. What you can do, you can go to chat GPT and just put a prompt, create a return policy for eBay. So it came up with some good points, but before adding, we can send this to the client for approval. So if they're happy, then we can add it. Okay, so that's important. Always get consent from the client, and once it's all approved, you can copy and where is eBay? Go back to eBay and paste it. So that's it. And either you can set it if there is only one return policy, then you can set it as a default. That means when you create a listing, this template will automatically apply to that listing. So if you want to do that, click on set default policy. And here, a return policy, this is kind of terms and conditions. This is, if you want to set 14 days or 30 days or 60 days. So you can see from domestic, that means within the country. Okay, and return policy will be paid by, so we can have seller free items or buyer. So we have two options. And normally you will end up paying seller. And for international, you can again select 30 days. And one thing that you have to keep in mind, to get the top rated badge status on eBay, you have to offer at least 30 days of return policy. And on top of it, you will get a boost as well for if your listing have 30 days of returns. So keep that in mind. So select whatever the client have agreed. If they're happy with 14, enter 14, 30, whatever it's agreed, and then click save. So that's all. It will be active. Thanks a lot for watching.